There we go. That's the biggest one we've ever got. That's the biggest one we ever got. Holy. I ain't never seen one that big. Keep videoing. I'll take care of him for you.
He's got a lamprey on him. $30.
Holy fuck. Holy shit. Almost 11 pounds, or almost 12 pounds.
12, 11, 7.
No, there's weight there, that's for sure.
Where the head shakes? Come here.
That's a horse of a different color there. $20, $28. Videoing at him?
Mm-hmm.
I'll show the viewers at home. Nice. Yep. Yep.
What do you say to the viewers?
Very nice. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that. 1.5. It's not even. Oh my fucking god. Is that the one? Is that the one?
That one's big.
That one's big. Put him on the floor. That there could be the 30.
Before I set the hook, I said grab the net. Oh, it's close.
Nope.
29 1/4.
See a big old fucking wall, big old belly. You've got that rod of yours doubled over pretty good.
Yeah, he does.
Oh yeah, it's got a big head on him. It's right over here. Here he comes. Ooh, that's a dandy. Fat. That's what we like. Oh, you got a fucking sauce. Oh, is that big fat? Oh my god. That is
Show.
Seafoot net.
This one's
Better than average.
It's better than average.
look at that. He felt big.
All right, come off the camera. Here we go.
He was.
What you got there?
I don't know. He's digging some. He's digging. Ooh, he's digging.
If it's 20 inches, you need a new rod.
Ooh, boy.
18 and a half, 18 and 3/4.
Get him.
Come on. Oh my God.
You should have got that. Glad I got that on video.
That one's all of 28.
Put him on the bunk.
I'll let you come in. I don't know how big it's gotta be. Not bad though.
Hold him up once.
Bring him to daddy. Bring him to daddy. Come. Oh, come on. Where's my hook? Dang it. What a, no, what a fat.
Got to go 28, huh?
Just under.
Show him off here. Video.